Okay. Are you ready, Ollie?
You cannot keep interrupting. No. I'm having a conversation. I'm not gonna... No. Walter, I'm right here, baby. That's enough. Stop embarrassing me again. You're getting me in trouble.
Schloops? Eddie? Good morning, bud. Good morning, baby. Want to get up and start your day? Schloops. I know, honey. Oh. I totally understand. I totally understand. Let's stop thinking about Gotta stop thinking about it. Can you start gathering your thoughts? Ready, bear? Uh-oh. Okay, well, a couple more minutes max. Be right back.
No, this isn't gonna work. I gotta measure you. Come here, sit up. Harper, sit up. Come on.
We need to get a
I
coat
need
for
to
you.
measure you. Come on,
Harper.
get up. Get up.
Oh, you're
get
so
up.
dramatic.
Yeah, it couldn't have been more dramatic.
Seriously.
Here, let me measure. Let me measure. No, you gotta let me do it. Come
Harper.
on. Come on. No, I don't want your hand. Come on. This way. Up here. Let me measure. Thank you.
Finally.
Thank you.
你别笑。做一个专业的演员吗？